Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will learn how to turn on alternating colors in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. Now you want to turn on alternating color. At first select your cells. Now I am click and drag on our mouse to select my cell. You can select your own choice cell. Now I go to the format menu. Then select this alternating color. And here the range I select this cells, and here some default style to this color. You can choose any style to this default, otherwise you can make custom style. You can select your style. You can change the color 1, color 2 and 3 or the header. Now I am select this yellow and click done. Then we can see we turn on alternating colors in Google Sheets very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.